Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandra. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong April 21. And for today, ating pong pag-uusapan kung handa ka na bang humarap kay Kristo. And this relates to the topic of final judgment na makikita natin sa 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 10 na nagsasabing, "For we must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ." So that each of us may receive what is due us for the things done while in the body, whether good or bad. Sa Tagalog, sapagkat tayong lahat ay kailangang humarap sa hukuman ni Kristo, upang bawat isa ay tumanggap ng kabayaran sa mga bagay na ginawa niya sa pamamagitan ng katawan, maging mabuti man o masama. So, this says that all people must appear before the judgment seat of Christ. Lahat po ng tao, there is no exception, will enter the judgment seat of Christ with Christ Himself judging them. Whether their actions result in a good or bad consequence, Jesus will judge them. And also, all people must give an account for everything they have done on earth. If you sinned, do what you can do to compensate for that sin and explain that sin towards Lord. If that isn't the case, then do everything you can do to avoid having sinned on your actions on earth. Because all people must choose now whether to live for God or for themselves. Hindi po dapat tayo naghihintay to make this decision. We should make the decision wherein kung tayo ba'y mabubuhay para sa Panginoon o para sa sarili natin. Because labor in the Lord daily as eternal investment. Ito pong paghihirap natin. Ito pong pagkakaroon natin ng pagtsatsaga. Pagkakaroon ng pagpupursige upang tuluyang mapagsilbihan ng ating Panginoon is an investment, because one day, we may not know what day it is, we will one day face God and Christ, and we will show all the things that we have done. And when we have done most things good, then they will be happy with us. And that's something that's good. That's something that is highly honorable. So let us labor in the Lord daily as an eternal investment, and let's love more and hate less as much as we can. Kung yung tao nagkasala sa atin, patawarin natin sila, mahalin natin sila, intindihin natin sila. Kung yung tao ay hindi pa natin kilala, kilalanin natin sila, mahalin natin sila, and let's do everything we can to honor their names. Let's live each day in preparation as for the judgment, because we do not know when the judgment will come. There are multiple theories, multiple statements stating the date of the judgment, but we do not know. So what can we do as Christians? We should do everything consistently. We should worship God consistently. We should trust Him consistently. We should not break His rules consistently, and we should follow them in every way we can. In that way, we will be glorified by God. Yun lang po ang daily devotion ko. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Panayin po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.